I'm Ilija Fedotov-Fedorov. So I was a biology genetic in the past. I did 2.5 years. After that I started to be a journalist and now I'm artist. So I'm here in Metabolični University Museum because it was very interesting for me, the concept of the organs, because in the past I also had problems with my personal organs, and I still keep working with organs and scientific approach, and it's interesting the position of the museum and the position of the university and institution in general. So this is why I'm part of this.
And how you think the project is going along with its scope of, redefining or reevaluating the institutionalization of museums?
I think that here it's a lot of different people. They are philosophers, artists, engineers, and etc. So you can feel the different perspective of the project, and my own perspective will change a little bit. So this is the most interesting part, and I think the purpose that we have the own chairs and we go into the different places, it's also have an influence on us and on our discourse and the intention of the discourse. So I think this is a very interesting idea.